Hey guys, today I'd like to show you how I altered this summer dress to fit me better. I bought it at a vintage kilo sale, but it was a little too big. So this is what it looked like when I bought it. And I started out by removing the sleeves. This way I could just alter the side and shoulder seams without having to deal with those. After that, I took in the shoulder seams a little bit to make it fit better around my bust. And I noticed that the front closure was constantly like popping open because it was with buttons. So I decided to just sew that shut. So I just pinned it together and top stitched it. And luckily I was still able to fit into the dress without a closure, so I didn't have to add in another. And after that was done, I took in the side and the shoulder seams until it had the fit that I liked. So lastly, I was planning on adding the sleeves back on, but I actually did really like it without them. So I just finished these raw edges with some bias tape. I just marked where the new armhole should be, and I sewed the bias tape along those lines. And after that, the dress was done. I'm very happy with the fit now, and I just love this dress. It's perfectly flowy and it's kind of tight around my waist and such, but it's really flattering and I love that. Thank you for watching to this video. I hope I'll see you next time, and yeah, shout out to my friend who wanted to be in this video.